Alright, so hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm here to review and break down the fourth episode of WandaVision. A lot of very interesting things happened in the episode, and to sum it all up in one sentence, I would say that the first episode was fine, the second episode was fine too, the third episode was good, but the fourth episode was great. So before I start the video, please give me a like and give me a subscribe, it really helps me out, and let's just dive right in. So first of all, I would like to mention this scene. It literally gave me goosebumps. The episode started out from this scene, and you have no idea how emotional I became because I absolutely loved Endgame, and this scene showing the people coming back from the snap made me very emotional. So this episode, the fourth episode, gave us a lot of answers about the things we were wondering about. So let's talk about the things we got to know from this episode. So first, in the starting, we got introduced to this government organization named SWORD. So SWORD stands for Sentient Weapon Observation and Response Department, which is a little bit different from the comic one. We saw that Monica Rambeau, her character, works for SWORD, and she is being sent to investigate this missing persons case, but later she finds out that it's not a missing persons case, it's an entire town missing. So we also see the character Jimmy Woo, I think that's his name, back. He was introduced in Ant-Man and the Wasp. So SWORD then starts investigating what is actually happening inside that force field, and we see all these names hung up on a board with all the characters' names written, and a lot of details about them is also written on the board. So the character Darcy is back. She was first introduced in Thor: The Dark World, and she is an astrophysicist, and she is also investigating in this case with SWORD. So the thing we saw at the end of episode 1, someone watching the sitcom starring Wanda and Vision and writing something down on the notebook, that was actually her. So everything kind of sums up in episode 4, all the mysterious things that were happening in the first 3 episodes. So SWORD sends in a lot of drones and helicopters inside the force field to see actually what's happening inside, but we learned that everything that's sent into the force field turns into something matching to that era which is currently happening inside. Like if you send a full modern drone, it turns into a 60s toy helicopter. So this was actually the drone that Wanda found in the first episode, dropping in her backyard. So the biggest reveal that we get from the episode is that it's actually Wanda who is doing all of this. She was doing this from the beginning, and she seems scared, and she doesn't want anyone to find out that all of this is not real, as she knows that if she goes back into the real world, she will lose Vision, because Vision right now is just a imaginary creation of her mind. So to sum it all up, I would just say that if you haven't watched WandaVision yet, this is a very good time to start watching, as the show is really picking up pace right, and it is really getting very exciting. I cannot wait to find out what happens next, and to get more reviews and breakdowns like this, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to follow me in the social media given in the description below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.